Hello everyone, welcome back to the Kingdom Wealth YouTube channel. Today, we're going to unwrap the secrets to financial success. As we stand on the brink of a new year, it's the perfect time to set your sights on joining the Millionaires Club. So, buckle up and let's embark on this journey together. If you haven't already, do subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell to stay updated. The first step is to set crystal clear financial goals. Be specific about how much wealth you want to amass in the upcoming year. Break down this overarching goal into smaller, more manageable milestones. Next, it's time to craft a budget. Keep track of your earnings and expenses, and pinpoint areas where you can tighten your belt. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned, so allocate a part of your earnings to your savings. Now, let's talk about increasing your income. Negotiate a raise, kickstart a side hustle, or invest in assets that generate revenue. Having multiple income streams can provide a safety net and fast-track your journey to becoming a millionaire. Investing wisely is another crucial step. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or other ventures, make sure your investments align with your financial goals. Do your homework and, if required, seek advice from a financial advisor. Never underestimate the power of financial education. Spend time understanding personal finance, investment strategies, and wealth-building techniques. Read books, attend workshops, listen to financial gurus, and arm yourself with knowledge. Networking cannot be overstated. Cultivate relationships with individuals who share your mindset, mentors, and industry professionals. Collaborate, learn, and use your network to find new opportunities for growth. Last but not least, discipline and persistence are key. Stay focused, adapt to hurdles, and don't let setbacks deter you. Remember, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. And that's your roadmap to becoming a millionaire in the upcoming year. Always remember, financial success stems from consistent effort, strategic planning, and a hunger for knowledge. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up and share your financial goals for the new year in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on personal development, finance, and success. Until we meet again, stay motivated and make the upcoming year your millionaire year.